Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Passkey in KuCoin. If you want to enable Passkey, then this will help you add extra layer of security feature that allows you to quickly log in using a PIN, biometric or device-specific key. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and log in if you haven't already. From the home page of KuCoin, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. From your profile section, tap on Security. Under Authentication Method, click on Passkeys. Now, click on Create Passkey on the next page. Now, if you have added extra layer of security or two-factor authentication, you'll need to verify yourself first via email or Google 2FA. Tap on the Send button and wait for the email code to arrive in your email inbox. Once you find the code or receive the code, type it down in the text box. After typing down the code, head over to the next field and enter the Google 2FA code that has been generated by your Google Authenticator app. Copy the application code and paste it in the 2FA field and click Confirm. On the next page, use your Face ID, your Touch ID, or biometrics by tapping on Continue, and once you are done, you will then be able to create a passkey successfully. Now your passkey is active, you can use it for quick logins instead of typing your password. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.